Now, refractive index. So how can we find the formula of refractive index? Suppose we are having this denser medium, right? When light comes from rarer medium and passing from denser medium, it just bends towards the normal which is drawn to the surface. So it bends here, right? Otherwise that light is just moving forward in this direction. So that is our refracted ray. This is our incident angle. This is our refracted angle. This is of the medium air and this is glass medium. Okay. Now why this light ray bends here? Because see, this is rarer medium and light speed in rarer medium is more than denser medium. So that's why here some speed is less by this glass medium. So that's why it just bends because of that speed stoppage. So here, if this is N1 and this is N2, how can we write that formula N12? First of all, N12, this N12 is known as refractive index of 1 with respect to refractive index of 2. So refractive index of air with respect to refractive index of glass. So formula of this particular speed in glass of light upon speed in air of light. So here V2 upon V1 that I have to write. But this equation is in the form of refractive index will be N1 upon N2. So from this equation I can easily write N proportional to 1 upon V. So N's proper formula, that is N is equal to C by V. C is the speed in vacuum and V is the speed in any medium, air, glass or any other medium. So this is the perfect formula. So how we get N1 upon N2 to V2 upon V1? So N1 upon N2, what is N1 formula? It is C upon V1. What is N2 formula? C upon V2. C gets cancelled out, so we are having V2 upon V1. So that's how we are getting V2 upon V1 from N1 upon N2. Similarly, if I want to write N21, now N21, what is N21? Refractive index of 2 with respect to refractive index of 1. So speed in air upon speed in glass, right? So is equal to, now I have to write V1 upon V2. So I can write N2 upon N1. So similarly, we can find N2 upon N1 to this V1 upon V2 by this same formula. So this is how we can form the formula of refractive index in the form of velocity, speed or in the form of refractive indexes.